Hey, what's up guys, Dan here, and when it comes to stabilization, you basically have three options: walking very slowly and throwing a stabilization effect on it in post, using a mechanical Steadicam, or using an electronic gimbal, like this one. Walking very slowly is very tedious work for a very limited output of stabilization. If you have zero budget, it works, but it's not ideal at all. The Steadicam that I took to Mexico is a great example of mechanical stabilization. It works well, but it's very hard to use and takes a lot of practice. On the other hand, this handheld gimbal I have is basically magic. This is the LanParte 3D-S, and I was actually given it at VidCon last year and never got the chance to make a video on it. It is a 3-axis electronic gimbal for smartphones and GoPros, and it is infinitely better than the DSLR on a mechanical Steadicam. The LanParte gimbal has three modes: follow mode, semi-follow mode, and fixed completely. In follow mode, the gimbal basically smooths out any movements you do, easing your pans and tilts. The second mode keeps the pitch and roll set and only follows the yaw. Lock mode, as the name implies, keeps all three directions locked in the same spot while allowing stable shots. Semi-follow mode is the setting I use most frequently, and it's great for basic vlogging as you can make sure the camera is always on your face as you walk around. The gimbal came in a nice travel case that will definitely keep it protected. You also get an extension cable if you want to attach this to something like a selfie stick, though I've never actually used this attachment. For an additional cost, you can pick up a wireless controller, and it works just as well as the basic handheld remote. This is useful for mounting the camera somewhere like the outside of a car and having to control it from inside the car. The gimbal piece is the same for each of these three options, so you get the same three stabilization modes, and no mounting techniques are any better than the others. As far as the review goes, it's basically done. For $275, you're gonna get a package that does a really great job at stabilizing your smartphone or GoPro. But I know what you guys all want to see is test footage, so I'm gonna drop that in now and put on screen which are the three modes I'm using. While you're watching back this test footage, I just want to take a minute and thank this week's sponsor, Slick Wraps. Slick Wraps makes the best skins for phones, iPads, computers, iMacs. They basically skin everything and they do a really good job at it. The skin you've been seeing on my phone in all the B-roll shots is actually a Justin Mahler skin by Slick Wraps. It's very high quality and it's really cool art and will make your phone stand out from the crowd. Make sure you go check them out at the link in the description. Well, that wraps up this video, guys. If you like the music you heard in the background, make sure you go check out my friend Jack Bennett's SoundCloud. There's a link in the description. He goes to my high school, he's a good friend of mine, and he makes some pretty sick beats. As always, if you like the video, make sure you like it, leave a comment down below, and subscribe for more content like this. I try to upload every Sunday at noon. I know I missed it last week, but I'm back on track, and I don't plan to miss another upload anytime soon. Until next time, peace.